Hello everybody, I am Maulik Shah and today I'm back again with a brand new vlog. Few of my German friends asked me about how to prepare Indian masala tea. Now let me tell you, Indian masala tea is very tasty as well as it's an immunity booster. Why? Because you can add cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, cloves, these many spices, and this gives you immunity. And check this video, do it, make it and enjoy a royal cup of Indian masala tea with your family, and please share your feelings. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Check it out. Bye.